is an instructional video for Writer's Choice 8.5 grammar, compound subjects and compound predicates. The assignment that would come just before this one would be Lesson 5. If you've not completed Lesson 5, please do that first before you attempt this Writer's Choice 8.5 so you're not completely lost. So this is kind of a recap on compound subjects and compound predicates. Again, compound just means two or more. So with this lesson, you're going to have two or more subjects, who or what the sentence is about, or two or more predicates, whatever it is that the subjects do, their actions. Okay, so for Lesson 9, you're going to look at the sentence and then tell me, does it have more than one subject, who or what that sentence is about, or more than one predicate, the action that's being done. So we're going to do number 1 and number 4 together for exercise 9. Number 1 says, either Charlotte or Emily Bronte will be the subject of my research paper. So who or what is that sentence about? Charlotte and Emily Bronte. And what did they do? They will be. So we have one predicate and more than one subject. So we have a compound subject. Pretty simple. Let's move on to number 4. Some scholars buy or sell rare editions of their books. Who or what is that sentence about? Scholars. What did they do? Buy and sell. So we have more than one action. That makes it a compound predicate. Now, for the next section, exercise 10, you're going to choose the proper verb form. Now, you still need to figure out what the subject is. If the subject ends with an S, the verb that you choose will not end with an S. So if the subject has an S, your verb will not. And the opposite is true. If the subject does not end with an S, the verb that you choose will end with an S. And then there will be a few where you have two verbs to choose. Those verbs should have the same ending. Either they will both end with S or both not end with S. So we're going to do number 11 and 13 here for exercise 10. So number 11, either Emily Bronte's poems nor her one novel deserve or deserves to be forgotten. So who or what is that sentence about? Well, poems and the novel. We have two subjects. Now the problem is we need to choose the one that is closest to our verb that we have to pick. So our verbs are here, deserve or deserves. Which one is closest to deserve or deserves? Novel. So here is our subject that we're worried about. Does novel end with an S? No. So your verb will end with an S. Novel deserves. Okay. 13. Her writing show or shows an understanding of people and reveals her love of England. Now here we're going to mark two answers because we have two verb choices. You'll have a first verb choice and a second verb choice. So who or what is the sentence about? Her writing. So her writing, does it end with an S? No. So your verb should end with an S. Writing shows. Now the rule for two verbs, if one verb ends with an S, your other one should also. So her writing shows an understanding of people, and reveals. Shows ends with an S, reveals should be your other choice because they both need to have the same ending. Okay, so please take your time here with 8.5.